Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. If you have beef and carrots on hand, please try this easy, healthy, and delicious stir fry. It's a basic Chinese home-cooked dish that almost all kids grew up eating in China. I guarantee you're gonna love it. So please hit the like button and let's get started. First, slice the beef thinly. This is a piece of mock tender, which is an inexpensive but pretty chewy cut of steak that is part of the beef chuck section. Even though it is tough, I like to use it for this recipe because it is lean and we're going to julienne it thinly. That shortens the beef muscles and makes it less chewy. Of course, you can use other cuts such as flank steak and sirloin. Marinate the beef with a 1/3 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to tenderize the meat. Mix well. If you don't know this baking soda trick, you have to try it. It makes tough cuts of meat tender and juicy. Drizzle in some cooking oil and stir to coat the beef. This will separate the meat strips so they don't tangle together when stir frying. Set it aside for 15 minutes. During this time, we can prepare the carrot. Peel them first. Cut the carrot into a 1/4 inch thick slabs. When julienning carrot, a lot of people like to stack the slabs straight up and cut it thinly. I don't recommend that because this is unstable and carrot slices can be slippery. As you're cutting, you have less space to grab onto it. That can be dangerous. Instead, slightly push the slabs to one side, kind of like domino cards. This way you can safely, evenly, and thinly julienne the carrot. Besides that, you will also need 5 cloves of garlic. I sliced them thinly. 3 scallions, I cut them into stalks and separated the white and the green parts. 2 dried red chilies. Use scissors to cut them into diagonal strips. Remove the seeds. This is optional. If you are serving kids, you can skip the chilies. Well, my mom never done that for me, so I have built a high spice tolerance since I was little. Set everything aside and we will put together all the seasonings. 1½ tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and ½ teaspoon of 5 spice powder. Mix well. Now we have everything ready. Let's cook. Turn the heat to high and heat the wok until smoking hot. High heat helps the oil to form a non-stick layer at the bottom, which prevents the meat from sticking to the metal. Add the marinated beef and spread it out. Carefully loosen the strips so they don't tangle together. Stir over high heat for 2 minutes or until nicely charred. Remove the beef from the wok. Make sure you tilt the wok so you can leave the excess oil behind. We will use that to saute the garlic, white part of the scallions, dried red chilies, and julienne carrot. Stir over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes or until the carrots are slightly soft. Introduce the beef back into the wok and toss in the green part of the scallions. Last, pour in the seasoning sauce. Mix well and you are done. This dish is easy and doesn't require any special ingredients. It is also a good recipe to get your kids eating carrot because they absorb lots of flavors from the beef and the taste becomes savory. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!